Okay everyone, this is my 1972 Yamaha XS650, also known as the XS2, that's been completely rebuilt, getting ready to be on eBay. Just wanted to crank it up for everyone so they could hear it and see how everything runs. Turn the gas on. Engine's real quiet. Sounds really good. Turn signals work. Light work, high and low. High low beam works. Of course, you got the neutral light. So everything works on it. It runs great. New brakes, new calipers, new master cylinder. Just check it out on eBay. Got a lot of parts replaced, all cables, everything, etc. Thank you.